Hi, so we are going to see Amazon Fire Stick, how to configure it and what are the settings available. So first of all, in your TV remote, I am having Sony Bravia here. So I will press this button. You will see HDMI 1 here. Click on HDMI 1. I have already inserted the Fire Stick besides behind my TV. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there will be an HDMI port. Insert the pen drive like thing inside, and this is the uh, adapter. Always keep it on charging when you are using Fire Stick. So I can see the screen here when I am clicking HDMI 1. Now the TV remote is not necessary. You will need it if you don't have the volume button here. If you are having an advanced version of the Fire Stick, then you will having the volume control button here. But I have an old one, so don't have it. So this is the Amazon Prime TV remote. For volume adjusting, you can use the TV remote. Also, sometimes you can use your TV remote to swipe in Amazon Prime tabs and movies. That is also functional. This, so this is the home page. You can search whatever movies or TV series or anything that you want, actor name, movie name, anything. This is the home page. They will show what latest movies are seen here, TV shows and movies. So these are some of the recent ones. We are going into movies, so these are the latest movies. You can click the down arrow button, left, right, up, down, and if you want to select, press the center button. This is for the options. This is to go back to the home page if you are watching any movie or anything. This is the back button. This is backward, forward, pause and play. Also you can press this button and try speaking and searching your movie, but this rarely works. It is not picking up the dialect that we are saying, so you have to say 3-4 times till it does not pick up. So first, for example, I want to watch this Bad Boy, then I have this option, watch with Prime, watch trailer, add to my list. So if you have Prime subscription, you can watch it here. Also, these are the suggestions that it is showing, just like YouTube. Also, if you want to search the movie of the same actor, then you can see that okay, this director has done these two movies, this actor has done this movies, Will Smith, for example, has done this movies, so on and so forth. You can see all the actors and their movies. If you are a fan of any one actor, you can search it. So if now I want to go back to the dashboard or homepage directly, then I'm going to press this center button, and directly I am back to my homepage. Also, many TV shows are available. Many Indian and other web series are also there. These are Amazon original web series. You can see that the latest one of Abhishek Bachchan or Four Shots, Patal Lok, Breathe. The Upload is really nice one. I really recommend that. Mirzapur, Inside Edge, many of them are available. Uh, these are the other. These are from the latest American TV series: Two Broke Girls, The Big Bang Theory, Young Sheldon, Two and a Half Men, Office. Also, Mr. Bean episodes, Man with a Plan. You also have How I Met Your Mother, and also the old some of the old ones like Malgudi Days, ये जो है जिंदगी, जबान संभाल के, शक्तिमान, शाहरुख खान फौजी, राजा और रैंचो. Many movies, also 90s and old movies. Yeah, Person of Interest, really nice. So you can see many of the movies are available. These are in TV. These we are in TV shows. Now we are going to apps. Also, many different apps are available, like news apps or movies apps. Many are there. Uh, you can see the movies. This is the spotlight, which are the main apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, Hotstar. Sony Live, Wood, Eros Now, Geo Cinema. You can watch from Geo Cinema the latest movies if you have Geo subscription. MX Player, ALT Bala. These are all the movie applications. You can install it. I will show you one app if I have not installed it. Also, these are some of the movies, the news channels that have its apps, and you can watch live TV also here. For example, NDTV is not available in GTPL. Then you can click here. It is opening. These are the news available. You can just control the whole thing with this left, right, and select. The whole thing is available. NDTV 24/7 and NDTV India. These are live, as you can see the label over there. I'm clicking on NDTV India.
कनेक्शन है।
जो बाहर के बच्चे हैं जो मेरे से दूर हैं वो मुझसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, जो मैं उनको पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ, अगर वो मुझसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो मेरा नंबर है 94.
Now I'm going to NDTV 24/7.
Is not answering anyone's phone. So
This is in English.
Like he's in any mood to give in, and even sort of any sort of outreach olive branch from the Congress. I don't.
Also, prime time is available. These are different categories. You can like every app it is having that. Also, it is suggesting ABP Live and other Al Jazeera, Times Now, Aaj Tak, India Today, Star News, Epic. All the apps are available. You can download it. So yes, I don't have Epic, so I will try to install it and show how the app is installed. You will get free download. It is freely available to download with if you have the Fire Stick. Okay, it's in queue. Downloading. You can also install and uninstall an app. You can see other details of the application like the size, the last updated date. It is 13.1 MB. Ratings if they have. It is installed. I'm clicking on center button, so it will open it. It will ask to log in. You can also skip it. Also keep in mind that many of the movie channels have 7-day free trial like Z5 and ALT Balaji, so you can watch any movies within those 7 days. These are the things that are available. I can play it. Okay, I need to register it, but if you register it once, then you can watch it. Also, not all the applications require registrations. Also, we have YouTube here. I have pre-installed YouTube app. You can install it from the app section. You can watch or search any video. Also see the clarity. It is really good. It is available in 7020 pixels.
उत्तराखंड सीरीज में आपने अभी तक देखा हम हरिद्वार से चले और हमने यमुनोत्री धाम की यात्रा करी। हमने कुछ गलतियां करी, जैसे कि बर्फ में चलने के लिए हमारे पास स्नो शूज नहीं थे। बारिश से बचने के लिए हम छतरी लाना भूल।
You can see that you can also pause it. You can see the total number of minutes here. The next video here, it is basically the YouTube that we see. Also we have subtitles here. If you want to on and off the subtitles, you can click this options button. When I click options button,
टूर प्लानिंग करते समय आप इन चीजों को अपनी चेकलिस्ट में जरूर जोड़ लीजिए। वैसे तो अगर आप वुलन्स या रेनकोट नहीं लाते में मिलेंगे।
So when you do it in a Hotstar or any other application, you can use the subtitles on off option also. But in YouTube it is default, it is showing the subtitles, but you can control the subtitles and options and everything from this button, this one. So I'm showing you Hotstar now, which are the movies available in Disney Plus Hotstar. Okay, so here we have it.
मेरा सारांश लापता है और किसी को कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता। धोखे से सारांश की कस्टडी ले।
You can click the left button, go in movies section. You can also watch sports and other channels. The packages are available. You can go in Hotstar subscriptions. These are the popular movies: Lion King, Baghi 3, Chichore, Angrezi Medium, Frozen 2. Yes, also Disney Plus Hotstar is there here. Disney Plus. So all the Disney movies will be available. Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, all the movies will be available. You just have to pay the become a Hotstar Premium member or Hotstar VIP. I'm looking into Disney movies. These are the Disney movies. Many Disney movies are there. All the Disney movies will be available here. Also, all the Marvel movies will be available in the Marvel's tab. So Hotstar is really recommended, especially in this Corona times. You can see all the Iron Man series, Thor series, Avengers first part, Avengers Endgame, Guardians of the Galaxy, Ant-Man. Also the animation cartoons are there. You can watch that. News option is also available. All the channels will be there: India News, ABP News, Aaj Tak. So even if you don't download the app, you can directly watch it from here in Hotstar. Also sports section is available. All the La Liga matches or all the tournaments and cricket matches, everything will be available here. Also IPL will be available. I'm going into movies again to show you that which latest movies are there till now. Bala, Angrezi Medium, Mission Mangal, these are some of the latest movies. Ford versus Ferrari is also here now. Pirates of the Caribbean, the latest part. Salazar's Revenge. Sanju, MS Dhoni, these are all the biopics section. Also you can watch some of the old movies and search it on YouTube. They are available there. On Sony Live, all the Sony TV and sub TVs serials are available. You can see in the section below all the latest sub TV serials. These are the sub TV serials. These are the channels and shows that it shows: Sony TV, Sub TV, Sony Marathi, BBC Earth, Sony Pal, Sony Ye, Sony Max. Moving on. After you install the app, it will be seen here in the main tab. This is the Z5, all the ZTV and the movies will be seen here. I'm going into movies directly. I don't. I've seen that it has less movies compared to Hotstar, Prime, and Netflix. Netflix has the most number of movies, but this also has a few good collection. Also, Simba, Dreamgirl, Mulk that are available here. Simba was really rare that it got into Z5. This is Geo Cinema. Geo Cinema is really nice. You can watch many movies are available here. Marvel, some of the Marvel movies are there, Bollywood movies are there, Hollywood movies are there. They are having a decent collection. You will see in recently added section here. These are the Marvel movies. Geo is free for all the Geo users. English movies, Hindi movies, Gujarati, Telugu, many animation, many sections are there. You can explore it. So now going back to the settings, how you can connect your internet. Go to network and you will see all the available Wi-Fi connection list and name the Wi-Fi names here. I have connected with this one, Itachi. So it is showing as connected. It will show signal strength, security and everything here. You can join any new network also. These are the display and sound options. Screensaver, display, audio, everything you can select here. Audio. Okay. You can uninstall any app from here. Manage installed applications. Total 5.94 GB space is available. You can see it from here. So you can install and uninstall the things accordingly. I will try to uninstall this one app, ABP Live. Uninstall. Yes, it is uninstalling the applications. Okay, it has uninstalled. I will install the Epic application which I just launched. Installed. Uninstall. Uninstall. Done. You can control the equipment, so if you want to connect a different speaker, then you can go here. If it's Bluetooth and everything will be shown here. Controller and Bluetooth devices. The Amazon Fire TV remote and any other speaker also you can do it from here. Alexa, these are your preferences. Parental controls, privacy settings. I am clicking the ads as off. Data monitoring, notification settings, featured content, time zone, language, many things you can do it from here. Also my Fire TV and my account will contain everything of the personal account details. when you connect, it will ask for email ID and a mobile number to connect, so it will show the details there. In help, you can if you have any problem or impediment, then you can click on contact us or watch any videos. You can also directly search on your mobile and then see the YouTube video how they have solved it, or watch mine. I have shown a special video that how to make subtitles on off and change the subtitles from English to Tamil or Tamil to Hindi. So you can watch my other video for that. So that's it. This is Amazon Prime. I think it's pretty good option or an alternative to cable TV. They are taking. I don't know about the other cities, but here it is taking a 360 for all the channels, and yeah, you can take this and monthly, that is 360 monthly, so you can calculate it yearly. And whereas you can take the Netflix subscription, that is 650 per month right now if you want to watch it on TV, or 199 if you want to watch it on mobile and do screen mirroring on your TV. So, or you can take Netflix or this VIP Hotstar subscription. That will also be a good option. All those options are for 1 year. It is very cheap compared to your cable TV, but the only condition is that you will get all the episodes of the TV series and everything also, but they will be pre-recorded. They will be 1 day late, so you can decide the option. On homepage you can see all the latest movies in Hotstar, all the latest movies on ZEE5, on Voot recommended applications, Amazon Original. Just go surfing and you will find also the genre wise movies on Amazon. For example, comedy movies, it will show a mixed collection of Hindi and Bollywood and Hollywood. Thriller movies, romantic movies, action and adventure, Hollywood movies. These are the Hollywood movies. Shazam, Dunkirk, many movies are there. Sports movies, Chak De, Sultan, romantic comedies, rom-com, all the sections are there. Top TVs, it will just go on. So movie genres, Bollywood, crime, animated, you can surf it from here. Amazon Prime is really cheap. You can buy it. Maybe you will get free connection if you buy it in offer. Then Amazon Prime, you will get it free with the Amazon Fire Stick. The Fire Stick is available in around, currently it is like 4,000 and 6,000. So I have the 4,000 rupees version. In 6,000 only all the things are same, just the remote control is a bit different. You have volume controls and other options available. Otherwise the things will be the same. If you want to see more such content in Amazon Prime, any one particular detail, then please let me know in the comments. Please share it. I have tried to cover all the points of what things are available in Amazon Prime, how to install and uninstall the apps, how to connect internet from network settings, how to plug in the adapter, also Hotstar movies, Jio Cinema movies, settings, TV shows, everything. So please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.